In today's fast-paced world, processed foods have become a staple in many diets. From ready-to-eat meals to sugary snacks, these convenient options seem appealing. However, a growing body of research suggests that consuming processed foods can have significant negative health implications. Let's explore why these foods may not be as beneficial as they seem. What are processed foods? Processed foods are items that have been altered from their original form through methods such as canning, freezing, or adding preservatives. While not all processed foods are unhealthy, think frozen fruits or vegetables, many are heavily processed, loaded with sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. These include snacks, sugary cereals, and ready-made meals that often lack essential nutrients. Nutritional deficiencies. One of the primary concerns with processed foods is that they often lack vital nutrients. Research consistently shows that these foods are typically low in vitamins, minerals, and fiber while being high in calories. For example, a study published in the journal BMJ found that diets rich in ultra-processed foods are linked to a higher risk of chronic diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. When individuals consume these foods, they may feel full, but they are not receiving the essential nutrients their bodies need to function optimally. Impact on weight and metabolism. Processed foods can also disrupt normal metabolic processes. Many processed snacks are high in added sugars and unhealthy fats, which can lead to overeating. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlighted that individuals who consume high amounts of processed foods tend to have a greater caloric intake without feeling satisfied. This can result in weight gain and an increased risk of obesity-related conditions. Moreover, the high glycemic index of many processed foods can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance over time. Addictive qualities. Another alarming aspect of processed foods is their addictive nature. Many contain artificial flavors, colors, and sweeteners designed to enhance taste and appeal. Research has shown that these additives can trigger the brain's reward system, similar to how drugs do, leading to cravings and compulsive eating behaviors. A study published in Nature indicated that highly processed foods can be as addictive as cocaine, making it challenging for individuals to moderate their intake. Negative effects on mental health. The impact of processed foods extends beyond physical health. It can also affect mental well-being. Studies have linked a diet high in processed foods to an increased risk of depression and anxiety. A systematic review in the journal Psychiatry Research found that individuals who consume more whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, report better mental health outcomes compared to those whose diets are high in processed foods. The lack of nutrients and the presence of artificial additives may contribute to these mental health issues. Environmental concerns. Beyond personal health, processed foods also pose environmental challenges. The production and packaging of these foods often involve significant resource use and contribute to pollution. Research shows that the food industry is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, and heavily processed foods typically have a larger carbon footprint compared to whole foods. Conclusion. In conclusion, while processed foods may offer convenience, the research surrounding their health impacts is concerning. From nutritional deficiencies and weight gain to mental health issues and environmental damage, the risks associated with a diet high in processed foods are significant. Opting for whole, minimally processed foods can lead to better physical and mental health outcomes. So, the next time you reach for a quick snack or meal, consider the long-term effects of processed foods on your body and mind. Making mindful choices can pave the way for a healthier future.